Alright, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be replacing the rear axle out of my 2013 Subaru BRZ. Here it is, the driver's side rear axle. I have a slit in it and the grease flung out, and so it's clicking right now. And so I'm just going to beat it to the bush and replace it before it breaks and leaves me stranded, you know? So there's the car, 2013 BRZ. It's going to be this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and jack the car up, and I will show you what you need. Take the tire off. I'll show you what stuff we're going to need. Should be pretty easy install, so Alright, so you can see right in here the slit. See how it's cut? And all the grease is just coming out right from there. So first things first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna have to disconnect this whole knuckle. So the upper control arm is gonna be this bolt right here, and then the lower control arm is going to be right here. So we're going to take out that one, and then we're going to disconnect the brake line with the 10mm bolt. And then also there's a speed sensor right here that we're going to take out. Okay, now that we got the whole axle basically, the knuckle just hanging there, so we're gonna blast this nut off. But before we do that, it's got a little divot right there that you have to hit out. And so once you blast that off, then we're gonna hit it with a hammer and a screwdriver, boom, to pop it out of the knuckle. And then we're gonna go back there and pop it out from the diff. So I'm going to use this punch to hit it right in the center.